Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to play Botz CS2. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Let's now start. Ganinho CS offers custom maps for CS2. The access to working Botz map for CS2, download them from this Google Drive link. Go to the location where the game is installed and place them in the Maps folder. Open Steam by right-clicking CSGO, selecting Manage and Browse Local Files. The text suggests Rudder with game allowed by CSGO and Maps. The file is placed in the CS2 folder, which appears in the game. Launch CS2, for example, and access the console. The right map space GG to see GGP Botz appear. If not, you put it in the CSGO Maps folder rather than in the game CSGO Maps. The Botz map in CS2 is still under development, causing potential bugs. Players should try it looking for a match, exit, and re-enter to find bots, but they simply don't spawn. After completing the map, you can fully close CS2. If any issues arise, and upon returning, everything should be in its original state. That's all for now, everyone. Thanks for watching.